In this video, I'm sharing a buttercream cake design with candy clay accents, so stay tuned. This cake begins with about a cup of fresh sliced strawberries. A piece of shelf liner helps to prevent the cake from sliding around while filling, frosting, and decorating. This is a 6-inch orange butter cake. The recipe can be found in my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei, Step by Step on Amazon. This is a browned butter Italian meringue buttercream recipe, and it's used to make a dam to help contain the filling and glue the layers together. A simple whipped cream sweetened with powdered sugar and flavored with vanilla is used for the filling along with the fresh strawberries. You can also use a bit of buttercream as a sealer and to add extra strength to your cake. Continue the same process for the next layer. The cake is then frosted with a thin layer of buttercream to hold the crumbs in place. The cake is frosted with a thicker layer for finishing. For the palette textured painting on the sides, I used a dusty rose, a brownish yellow, and moss green. If you would like to see a detailed video tutorial on buttercream palette painting, click on the video at the end of the video or the link below in the description box. When I started designing this cake, I had all buttercream in mind, but then I changed my course and I decided to add candy clay flowers, which can also be made with gum paste. If this happens to you and you change your mind, simply place the sugar flowers right on top of the buttercream ones and then add buttercream leaves around them. When coloring candy clay, use a very small amount of color. This is red and brown, which makes dusty rose. The center colors are gold or yellow with a small amount of brown mixed in. And the little blue flowers are royal blue. The dogwood is one of my go-to flowers. They are so quick and easy to make. The look can be changed by varying the colors, and they are so beautiful. The link to how to make these in detail is below and at the end of the video for you. The numbers are made with tappets, which I did a live demonstration on a couple of days ago here on YouTube, and also I have a detailed tutorial, which again, I'll put the links below the video for you, and some of them will be at the end of the video for you. Thanks so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. If you guys have any questions about what you saw in this video or any other video on my channel, just leave me a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. All right, have a great day and I'll see you next week.